Aton, and this is my Draw My Life video. I don't usually do videos like this, but I was tagged by my friend Element, so now I'm doing this video. So, I was born 13.7 billion years ago. I was brought into this world by my parents, the Big Bang, when all the matter in the universe was concentrated into a single, incredibly tiny point, which then began to enlarge rapidly in a hot explosion. I had quite a normal childhood, being a normal kid, with many friends everywhere I went. But growing up, no one really knew about me. And it wasn't really until around 460 BC when a guy named Democritus, a Greek philosopher, acknowledged my existence. He pondered the question of, if you break a piece of matter in half and then break it in half again, how many breaks will you have to make before you can break it no further? He thought it ended at some point, the smallest possible bit of matter. He called these bits atoms. Unfortunately, the rest of the Greek philosophers all dismissed Democritus's ideas, and I was forgotten about for another 2,000 years. Until 1897, when J.J. Thomson, an English physicist, discovered a part of me called electrons and also proposed a model for my structure. He knew that my electrons had a negative charge and thought the matter must then have a positive charge. This is called the Plum Pudding model. This model looked like plums inside a lump of pudding, which is a dense cloud of positive charge. I was misled. They called me dense. I thought this was me, but it wasn't. I grew up for another several years thinking that I was someone that I wasn't. In 1911, a nice guy called Ernest Rutherford had an interesting idea. He disagreed with J.J. Thomson's theory and devised an experiment and got two other nicer guys, Geiger and Marsden, to carry out an experiment. They fired a beam of alpha particles, which were positively charged, at a piece of gold foil 1 atom thick. If J.J. Thomson's theory was correct, then all the alpha particles should have passed directly through the gold foil. But that's not what happened. Some of the alpha particles passed through at different angles. A flash of light was observed when they hit a glass plate which was under a microscope, and some of the alpha particles reflected. This meant that at the centre of the gold foil, there was a small positively charged nucleus at the centre. Another part of me. So the Plum Pudding model was replaced by the nuclear model of the atom. I was finally understood. I spent so many years of my life thinking I was something I wasn't, but now, thanks to Rutherford, Geiger and Marsden, the world knew about my true identity. Then I found Particle Tube and started making silly videos. And thanks to you guys, I'm finally able to live life to the fullest. My life has changed and I'm so thankful to be here today, and I'm excited for what the future holds and what other physicists will find out about me. Thanks for watching, leave a comment, like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Bye! Some of the alpha particles passed through at different angles. This was the sorry. Okay.